Remember the days of fumbling for light switches or cranking up the thermostat? Technology is changing how we live, and it's happening fast. Smart homes aren't just for techies anymore, they're for everyone. Imagine controlling your entire house with just your voice. That's the power of a smart home assistant. Let's talk about name of device, your new best friend for a smarter home. This sleek, voice-activated device is like having a personal assistant for your house. It listens to your commands and makes life easier. Need to set an alarm? Just ask. Want to know the weather? Name of device has you covered. It's all about making your home work for you. Don't worry, setting up name of device is a breeze. First, plug it into a power outlet. Download the app on your smartphone. Connect the device to your Wi-Fi. The app will guide you through a few easy steps. You'll be up and running in no time. It's that simple. Imagine this. Your alarm goes off, but it's name of device gently waking you up with your favorite song. Good morning, you say, and name of device turns on the lights and tells you the day's weather. As you head out, you ask name of device to make a grocery list. Coming home is even better. Welcome home. Name of device greets you, turning on the lights in your favorite playlist. Section 5. Entertainment at your fingertips. Name of device is your personal DJ and movie buff. Ask it to play music from any genre or streaming service. Want to watch a movie? Name of device can launch your favorite streaming app and even control the volume. It's like having a remote control for your entire entertainment system, all with the power of your voice. Section 6. Your home, your control center. Controlling your home has never been easier. Ask name of device to adjust the thermostat or dim the lights. You can even control compatible smart home devices like your robot vacuum or smart plugs. No more getting up to turn things off. It's all about convenience and control at your fingertips. Section 7. Beyond the basics. Unlocking hidden potential. Name of device is more than just a voice assistant. It's a hub for your smart home. Connect it to compatible devices like smart lights, thermostats, and security cameras. Control everything from one central location. Imagine turning on your coffee maker from bed or checking your security cameras while you're away. The possibilities are endless. Section 8. Embrace the smart home revolution. Smart home technology is here to stay, and name of device is leading the way. It's not about replacing your routines, it's about enhancing them. It's about making life easier, more comfortable, and more connected. It's time to embrace the future of living. Section 9. The future is now. Name of device awaits. So, why wait? Step into the world of smart homes with name of device. It's affordable, easy to use, and will transform how you interact with your living space. Say goodbye to the old ways and hello to the future of home. Name of device is waiting to simplify your life. Don't forget to leave your like, follow, and comments for more.